Oh my goodness, guys, what a day it's been for Palantir stock, for the stock market, and really all AI oriented stocks. We have to break down some news we got recently, and we're going to break down Palantir, the charts, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe and snag up your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below, deposit at least $100 and you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. All you guys have to do is use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfest.com/moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, take a sip of that water, guys, and let's dive into it. So at this point, it's about 2:15 p.m. on the East Coast. So we're slowly wrapping up the day, and every index except for the Russell is in the green. The S&P's up 0.7%, Dow's up about 0.25%, and QQQ is leading the green by far, up 1.4%. Unbelievable day for tech stocks, thanks to Netflix being up 10%. Other stocks in the space, Microsoft's up almost 4%, Meta's up 2%, Amazon's up about 1%, Google's up a little bit. Now it's back over $200 per share. So yeah, tech is looking good. Again, thanks to Netflix. And Palantir is up 4.5%. Guys, we're almost back to $80 per share. This is nuts. We're now up $3.30 on the day, and we're at $76.30. And earlier, about an hour ago, we were at $77 per share. Looking pretty good if you ask me, guys, right? And on the 5-day, 5-minute, clearly the uptrend is continuing, right? Just 5 days ago, we were literally $9 to $10 lower from where we are now, which is nuts. So Palantir has come up a lot in just the last couple of days. You guys see that on this 5-day, 5-minute, on the 10-day, 30-minute as well. Clear cut reversal. Now we're up 14, 15 bucks off the lows, which we hit $63, by the way, earlier this year, about 10 days ago. And off that low, we're up 21%. Very big move there. And on the 20-day chart, you guys see this is pretty much a full-on reversal. And on the 4-hour, let's come back over here and get the handy-dandy channel tool out. We can see we're back in this range, guys. $70 is support with resistance at about $80 to $82 per share. We're very much so right back in this range. You guys see it right here. So PLTR looking great, guys, on the charts. It's heating up. It's been heating up, and this is after we got some big news that we have to break down right now. And as I pull this up, guys, make sure to join the email list, which it's free to do that. And I send you guys every week my top stocks right to your email. That is linked right down below, also pinned in the comment section. Make sure to put your first name and your email address, and boom, you guys are locked in there. So take a look at this. I'm sure some of you, if not all of you, have heard of the Stargate plan, right? President Trump just got in office, yesterday, 2 days ago, whatever it was, right? And now we have this big Stargate plan, which, let's break it down a little bit. So the announcement of a $500 billion joint venture known as the Stargate Plan, which involves Oracle, OpenAI, and SoftBank, has just been announced, right? And this is aimed at advancing AI technologies, and this initiative has positively impacted, of course, AI-focused companies like Palantir, which is why it's up on the day. Other stocks like ARM Holdings going crazy, Nvidia's up, right? And this is what it is, right? And additionally, Palantir has been identified as a beneficiary of increased federal spending on defense and national security under the current administration, and the company's strong ties to government agencies and its role in providing data analytics solutions have positioned it favorably in light of these policy directions. Very good news. Palantir Technologies and this Warren Buffett thing keeps on popping up here, guys. God dang it, man. Palantir Technologies is seeing strong market demand, obviously, for its AI data analytics services because companies need data insights to make smart choices, and Palantir continues to get more government contracts and enterprise deals, showing its market leadership status in this fast-growing data analytics business. And the company closed deals with well-known clients. The company received a significant new defense contract from a top industry firm to demonstrate its critical function in national security and military analytics work, which we talked about recently. The new contracts will boost Palantir's earnings and strengthen its financial future. So we could dive a lot deeper into this, and there goes Warren Buffett again. They want me to give them my email and first name. Like, you guys got to put yours down below again to get my top stocks every week. But here it says more than 1 million people have already joined Guru Focus. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, maybe another day I'll put my email here. But you guys better put yours down below. Again, it's free. Top stocks right to your email. So, yeah, man, that's a big piece of news, which maybe we'll do another video diving deeper into it. But, yeah, $500 billion joint venture known as Stargate involving Oracle, OpenAI, SoftBank, some of the biggest players in the space. And this will ultimately help companies, again, like Palantir, like NVIDIA, like ARM Holdings. And, you know, this is it's a lot of money. $500 billion, a lot of money, man. So, yeah, that's the big news, pushing PLTR higher, another 4 or 5% in the green. And this is before earnings, which are coming out in about 2 weeks on the 3rd of February, which actually, wait, that's less than 2 weeks, right? Yeah, that's way less. Not way less, but it's less than 2 weeks. So it's going to be good. Let's just say that, guys. It's going to be big. And I'm very, very eager to see what the guidance looks like out of Palantir and what the full year 24 numbers look like here, as we're going to get their Q4 numbers, which will officially seal off, I guess, wrap up, if you will, 2024. It's going to be big, guys. It is going to be big. I'm excited. So, yeah, talk about a great day for Palantir, for a lot of stocks out there, guys. I mean, ARM Holdings is up 15% right now. Netflix is crushing it, 10%. OKLO, 10%. Microsoft, 4%. CrowdStrike, 3.5%. And the entire market is it's ripping, guys. SPY is on the verge of all-time highs, and so is QQQ. I am pumped about this. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the Patreon if you want to keep up with what I'm doing in my portfolio. That is linked right down below. And don't forget to snag up your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, totaling 30 free stocks, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link right down below, or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.